Has it ever popped into your mind that a medium may just be crazy or it might just be their imagination? Well, in this video, I'm going to be tackling this topic and helping each and every one of you to understand exactly what you need to know. If you're new to the channel, my name is Psychic Medium Jordan Coburn, and I can prove with evidence of the afterlife. I've helped thousands of people on this earth plane to once again be able to reach out and contact their loved ones in spirit from the understandings and the teachings, and now it's your turn. Each and every one of you can become great mediums, and here at Help Heal Serve, we can give you the very foundations to forge your own unique understanding. Not to mention, we have the loving and supporting Help Heal Serve family. Also, remember to let me know down in the comment section if there's anything in this video you don't understand, anything that you want to see going forward. Is it a medium's imagination? I can see why a lot of people would deem it to be one's imagination. Because a lot of people on this earth plane, rather than wanting to know how this process works, they're either ignorant to spirit communication, they either don't want spirit communication, because some people, believe it or not, just aren't interested. They don't need that little bit of confirmation. They're not interested. Or you have individuals who watch mediums on social media and they see what they're all about. It doesn't take long to see through some of these people. You will get a handful of people who are kind of like, and I don't mean this in a negative way or in a nasty way, but they're sheep. They don't know how to think for themselves. They can't think for themselves. They never will be able to think for themselves. And they normally just sorts of people who just fit into society. They just do what society tell them, and that's the way that they are. You tell them to jump, and they will jump as high as you tell them. So yes, you can imagine and you can see in the first instance why mediums, people would believe it's the imagination. And I'm going to let you in on a little bit of a secret. It is your imagination, but not in the way that you might think. A lot of you, when you think of your imagination, you are thinking of sitting now watching this, and then all of a sudden you might be just thinking of daydreaming. You're going into little dreams and you're doing what you want to do on the weekend, and you're going out with the lads, you're going out with the lasses where he's going to go. This is your imagination. You are actively, you're foreseeing things, you are projecting things that you want to occur. When you are working alongside of the spirit world, you use your imagination. Believe me when I say this, your imagination is going to be exercised beyond belief. The difference is a good medium knows when it's their own imagination or when it's imagination used by the spirit world. You can effectively think of the brain. Spirit are telling us to think of it like this. Think of your entire being. Now, when you look at my head, inside my left eye, we have what is called a whiteboard. So this is actually my left, right. I'm getting them mixed up because I'm looking at the camera, so I'm trying to think of which way it is. So on my left eye, think of my left hand now being a whiteboard. On my right hand, I know I look stupid, but on my right hand, I now have another whiteboard. These are two distinct whiteboards. On this side is my imagination with spirit. On this side is my everyday thinking imagination. When you are operating on a mediumistic level, it's about having that mind shift, that change within the dynamic of where you are getting your information or what side of your brain you're using. Not technically what side of your brain you're working spirit are saying, but the parameters of which you are going to attain the information. So now we are looking at this side. We've got the two hands up there. We've got the two whiteboards. I'm thinking about what I'm going to do with my friends this weekend. I don't have many friends, to be fair, so it's a bad example. All my friends are in spirit. Well, most of them anyway. But we've got loads of friends. We've got thinking of loads of things that we're going to be doing. We're going out with Daisy. We're going out with Maeve, and we're going out with Lewis. All of these different things. This is our normal rational thinking side of the brain. This is where we are doing all of those different duties. And when we are thinking about going to this side, we are thinking now, I'm placing my intent. So my intent is, what should I do this weekend with my friends? And then we're starting to think, yeah? The dynamic, I think of it, I then start to plan it. When it's with spirit, however, what you should be doing is you should be thinking, I'm now working with spirit. There we go. We have now changed the cognitive function of the mind. And when you get very good at developing this, it's going to be an instant shift. It's an instant change in the dynamic. So now, instead of thinking of I'm with my friends, I'm thinking of I'm with spirit now. Now, everything that comes into your imagination in those moments is the spirit world showing you things, whether that be symbiology, whether that be events, whether that be something that you need to speak of, whether that be a person, the clothes that they wore, all of these different things. So in a nutshell, a medium will use their imagination. But what you've got to understand is it's how they use that imagination, which is going to be beneficial to them. If you are a trainee medium, or you're somebody who's practicing mediumship and you haven't got the grasp of, a lot of people call it switching on to work, switching off to work, open to work, closed to work. I don't believe in any of that crap, right? That makes it complicated. It's very simple. In those moments, are you thinking of spirit? If the answer is yes, then that is spirit coming through. In those moments, were you not thinking of spirit? If that's the case, and you weren't thinking of spirit, you don't accept anything that comes through. That there is a quick way, and we're going to be doing full videos on it, so don't worry about it. But that there is a quick way of knowing whether this side, this information of your imagination is from spirit, or if it's this side. So I hope that little demonstration helped. It was actually kind of good, that spirit. To be fair, they always show us little hacks in that when we're going through, and I love working with them. It's awesome. But if there's anything that you didn't understand from this video, remember to let me know down in the comments section. Also, I'd like to say a big massive thank you to each and every one of you who like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. Remember, if you enjoyed this video, check out the videos pinned at the top left and right. And until the next time, bye-bye for now.